Yo, how y'all doing again, family? Once again, your favorite entrepreneur's favorite entrepreneur, your favorite amateur chef, your favorite investor's favorite investor. It's your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? So, first things first, right? I just got a haircut today. So, what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to take a glimpse, right, of what we got going on, okay? We swimming, right? I want to be able to reveal this on the call because I went like a couple weeks without a haircut. I'm doing this YouTube channel. I want to make sure I'm getting right for y'all. So, let's.
OMG!
I mean, y'all see what's going on, right? It's minimal, right? It's minimal, but we go get there, right? So let's not talk about that anymore, right? Let's go ahead and talk about why we are here on this video today. So the reason what we're going to be doing today is it's going to be talking about the levels platform, the levels scanner on IM Master Academy. So like anything else, right? Like how Meek Mill said, it's going to be levels to this trading game. So what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to be able to make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, right? Y'all make sure y'all like the video and y'all make sure y'all leave a beautiful, nice, right, tender comment so that I'm able to go ahead and keep producing videos and content like this. So if you guys are ready to be able to learn, right, how to be able to actually level up in the market, right, what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to stay tuned and then go ahead and check out this video. I'll see y'all in a little bit, family. Yo, how y'all doing? Once again, it's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So once again, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over another product in IM Master Academy. But before y'all do that, what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to stop, right? I need y'all to stop. And I need you to make sure you go subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications because we're going to be dropping content weekly, right? I'm going to get to a point where we're going to be dropping this content damn near every single day. So I want you guys to be able to make sure you're tapping into all the information being dropped, right? So what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to plug in and focus, okay? So today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about levels, right?
It's time we take it to the next level.
Levels, right? So like Meek Mill says, it's levels to this, and there's going to be different levels to this trading, right? So one of the great products that we have in the platform is actually going to be called levels. So what I want to do is I want to be able to show you guys the simple steps that you need to be able to take advantage of it, right? Be able to incorporate it and be able to, profit from it in the market. So first things first, what y'all need to do is if you do not currently have levels, I need you to go log into im.academy, okay? And I need you to go to shopping cart. I need you to then go select levels and then add it, okay? Or if you're the person that wants to be able to go over and beyond, which is who I am, I would just go get the elite package, right? I would personally just go get the elite package. And if you already have it, it's already going to be included with what you got, right? So first thing we need to do is we need to always focus on Pip Talk. So Pip Talk is going to be an app. You can actually download the IM Academy app in your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And then you want to be able to download that so you can get the notifications directly from all the products, right, that are going to be sending out the trade ideas in the market. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're actually going to see levels right here. Receive updates, trade ideas, and education from the levels team, right? Whenever they say levels team, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This may be one of the only products that literally has one educator, okay? Literally has one educator. Now, what I want y'all to focus on is that if you look at levels, right, levels is actually going to be something that gives you the alerts, but it's not going to give you the actual parameters for the trade idea. So whenever you see a trade come through, it may say something like this: new levels trade idea USD Chef, new levels trade idea GBP JPY XAU USD, which represents gold. Now you'll notice it's not going to say buy, sell, entry, stop loss, TP. That's because you need to actually have access to the product. This is just going to be a signal letting you know, hey, go check levels. And then whenever you go check levels, you can actually go about being able to see the trade idea, right? So next, once you do that, what I want you to do is I want you to click on the subscribe button. So whenever you click on the subscribe button, you're going to be able to get the notifications directly to your cell phone, okay? You're going to be able to get the notifications directly to your cell phone. And that's exactly what you want to be able to do, right? So after you do Pip Talk, same thing as usual. We're going to dive directly into go live, right? So we're going to dive directly into go live. Now, whenever you get to go live, guys, it's going to be very, very simple. Make sure you figure out what language you want to focus on, okay? Obviously, this is an English-speaking YouTube video. So what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to stick with English. I need you to scroll down, and I need you to find the levels channel. Every product has its own channel, okay? So we're going to click that. Now, whenever we click that, as I told you guys before, there's literally one educator, right? There's no confusion. There's no who do I need to watch. There's one person you're going to focus on, okay? Now, he's actually going to be located on 2 different channels. So I really want you guys to focus, right? He's going to be located on the levels channel, okay? And then if we actually go back and we click on where it says FRX Go Live Library, right? It's going to bring us here. What I want you to do is click on where it says all sessions at the top, okay? Click on where it says all sessions at the top. And if you start scrolling, right, you are going to see Oran Wright is right here with 2 completely different videos that are separate from the levels channel. So you want to make sure that you write down his schedule from the FRX Academy, right? As well as the levels channel. But what we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on the levels channel. So let's go ahead and go back, right? Let's go ahead and go back. And then we're going to scroll back down and we're going to select the levels channel. So after I select the levels channel, you're going to see that on Mondays and Tuesdays, he's going to talk about the head and shoulders. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The head and shoulders is going to be one of the easiest strategies in the market to be able to identify and get used to being able to see all the time, because head, shoulder 1, shoulder 2, or they would say left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? So what I want you guys to focus on is if you actually go click on Oran Wright's name, okay, it's going to bring you to his channel. Now, if you scroll down, okay, you're going to see where it says recorded sessions and favorite sessions. It's also going to have a tab for market ideas. We're just going to focus on favorite sessions. I need you guys to go watch all these videos, right? If you're interested in binary, go watch this. This is specifically a Forex, right, YouTube video. So you can focus on trading in the zone, short video on how to trade using the 50% of Monday, 5-step pattern in identifying a trade setup, how to trade the levels cloud strategy, and how to trade the swing high and swing low strategy, okay? Now, specifically how to trade the levels cloud, that's definitely going to be something that can help you, because whenever we actually go to the levels scanner, you're going to see what kind of incorporation you're going to be able to utilize. So final thing that we need to do, right? We're going to go back to IM.center, okay? We're going to go back to IM.center, and then we're going to locate the tab that says strategies, right? Right here. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on that tab that says strategies, right? Now it's going to bring you to a separate screen, okay? And then you're simply going to scroll down and you're going to look for where it says levels. Now, if you look at the description, it's an algorithm that identifies entry points, stop loss, take profit levels, right, in the market. It's going to be intraday. You're going to get about 100 plus trades a week. There's one educator, Oran Wright. Unfortunately, there's only one language, which is English, okay? Now, one of you guys can actually come in, learn it if you speak a different language, and you can actually be somebody that teaches levels in a different language, right? So if we simply click on the scanner, it's going to bring it up to the actual level scanner. And I'm going to actually show you guys, because there's actually 3 different strategies within the level scanner. So first things first, right? If you guys click on where it says training, it's going to actually pull up, right, a video.
Hello, everyone. My name is Oran, IMLTV Educator. I'm the founder and creator of the Level
15-minute breakdown, right, of the level scanner. So you'll actually be able to have my video as well as this video. Now, keep in mind, this video was created quite some time ago, right? I want to say this was about 2019. So my video is a little bit of a refresher, but you definitely want to go check that out, right? So the next thing I want you guys to focus on is going to be where it says strategy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on where it says Monday. Okay. Let me move my face out the way real quick. Right. So we're going to focus on where it says Monday. Let me actually put myself over here, right? Right here in the middle. So if you guys notice, this blue box has the word Monday. It also has left shoulder on it. This is going to be a part of one of the strategies you're going to learn, right? That he's going to teach you. So the Monday strategy is going to be a strategy that Oran Wright teaches you that, yeah, you guessed it, is going to initiate on a Monday. So you have to wait for each Monday to come so that you can be able to see what the market has done. And then you trade from that point, right? Then you're going to trade from that point. So this is something I want you guys to really pay attention to. Over here, you guys can see there are going to be different time frames to choose from. It's also going to have all the pairs, right, sectioned off specifically by the session, which I think is really dope. So for any of you guys that struggle trying to understand what pairs go with what session, I think this is a really dope tool for you to be able to come look at. So you could be like, okay, Asian session, these are pairs, right? Sydney session, these are the pairs, and then so on and so forth. So I personally thought this was really dope that they added this here, because it's going to help people be able to identify what currencies go in what session, right? That's going to be the Monday system, okay? The Monday system is also going to be the picture you see on the thumbnail. So this is going to be derivative of one of the things that he teaches, which is going to be that 50% video in the favorite sessions, okay? So if you go to where it says master trades, this is going to be for all you new guys and experienced people that don't know the strategy yet, but you got the product and you want to be able to come in and start making a bag, right? You want to be able to come in and start making a bag. So if you guys actually notice right here, Oran Wright has actually drawn out an inverted head and shoulders pattern. What does it mean to be inverted? Inverted means you're going to be looking for a buying opportunity. If it were just a regular head and shoulders, you'll be looking for a sell. But specifically because it's inverted, you're going to be looking for a buy. That means it's an upside down head and shoulders, meaning you want the market to go up. So if we look at this trade idea, right? What I want y'all to notice is it was going to be GBP USD, and you can see that there was clearly a buy zone, right? There's clearly a buy zone in this area right here, and all of the targets are upwards, which means that we wanted to buy this market up. And needless to say, that's exactly what the market did, right? Needless to say, the market bought up and it never came back. So his trade ideas, as you can see, this is the only trade idea as of right now. So what I actually want to be able to show you guys is I want to be able to show you guys the level scanner. Okay, so this right here, right, that I currently have on my screen, this is what the level scanner actually looks like, guys. So what I want you guys to focus on is, if you look at this, this is going to be him giving you the before and after, right? So the before of NZD-JPY and then the after of NZD-JPY. Notice that the trade, right, at the time that it was called out, he told you it was a bearish engulfing, right? He was looking for a buy, the entry, the stop loss, and he gave you a take profit, okay? These are the things that you guys want to focus on. So whenever he calls out the trades, because we don't currently have an example, as you can see right now, this is how you guys know exactly what it looks like. So notice the trade ideas are going to be over here in the alert panel under where it said master trades. He's going to give you the trade idea. He's going to tell you if it's a buy or a sell. And then he's going to also give you an entry, right? He's also going to give you an entry, a stop loss, and a take profit. So if you guys focus on this, right, he's literally going to tell you everything whenever it comes here, right? Some of these he might actually send to the channel, but for the most part, a lot of these are going to be after the fact. So what you guys want to focus on is making sure that you guys, right, are paying attention to whenever the trade alerts come out, and then go to where it says master trades. Now, finally, the last one is going to be Lifeline, okay? The last one is going to be Lifeline. Now, when it comes to the Lifeline strategy, okay, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I'm going to be 100% honest. I personally don't know how to trade the Lifeline strategy. So that's more of a reason why you guys need to be making sure you are tapping in to Oran Wright, right? So you guys want to make sure that you are tapping into Oran Wright sessions. So just because I don't know how to use the Lifeline strategy, it has nothing to do with you learning how to use the Lifeline strategy, right? And as y'all can see, to a certain extent, I might need a lifeline because this is not actually pulling up right now. Now, here we go, right? The Lifeline strategy. Now, as you guys see, it is just a naked chart. So what you guys want to make sure you're doing is you guys want to make sure you're actually tapping in to the education so you can learn how to properly use this. So with that being said, guys, this has been the level scanner, okay? And if you guys do not have access to the levels Telegram, if you're already active in IM, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram saying, I need the level scanner, okay? I need the level scanner, okay? If you're not active, you can still get added to it, but I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not really gonna do you a lot of justice, just for the simple fact, right, that the level scanner is gonna be something that is gonna be difficult, right, to be able to utilize if you don't already have access to the product, because the Telegram is just gonna say, hey, go log into the academy. So if you're not in the academy, it's not really going to benefit you. But with that being said, guys, as usual, you know, leave me a like, leave me a good comment, go subscribe to the channel. We're dropping content every single week. Look forward to dropping it every single day. Hopefully you guys took some value from this. And in the future, right, I want you guys to be able to, you know, give me some feedback so we can be able to keep these videos going efficiently and smoothly. Now, with that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I will never look down on anybody unless I'm helping them up. It's me, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. I'll see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is too crowded. See you guys in the next video. Peace.